Hi, I'm Mike Daisley. I'm a civil trial attorney in Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm with the law firm Daisley Law, PLLC. I'm here today with Bill Powers with Powers McCartan. Bill and I work together. We have separate law practices, but we have complementary practices in terms of my civil trial work and Bill's criminal defense work. Bill almost always works in the area of DWI, defending drivers who have been stopped and charged with driving while under the influence of alcohol and other type drugs. I tend to represent persons who have been harmed in those kinds of accidents. While sometimes that may seem like a little bit of a strange practice, actually it works very well in terms of the complementary nature of what we try and do. We obviously try and avoid conflicts. I can never represent anybody who has been injured by one of Bill's clients, but nonetheless, Bill's expertise always seems to help me, and I hope I help you, Bill, from time to time. I'm here to ask you, though, one question. How does defending one of your clients, somebody who's been charged with drunk driving, how is that complicated when, in fact, that drunk driver has, in fact, injured somebody else?
Right. Well, it's actually something that's it's sort of the inverse of what many people think of when you have a DWI case with some sort of injury or some sort of civil case. Now, what many people don't realize is that if you are charged with driving while impaired, and indeed someone has made a claim, that their insurance carrier is responsible for defending that claim. Mm-hmm. And Mike, tell me a little bit about defending in good faith claims. That's why you buy insurance, right?
That's exactly right. The drivers are supposed to, at least all drivers in North Carolina, are supposed to carry mandatory insurance coverage. This is to cover them in the event that they make a mistake and cause injury to somebody else. That insurance company that is supposed to step in and help defend against any civil action from the injured party. They have a duty to defend in that sense. So are you seeing in some of your practice, some of your clients that have harmed others through their drunk driving, that insurance companies are not stepping up to the plate?
The point of the matter is that there should not be this assumption that it should be taken on a case-by-case basis, and that your insurance carrier should at least give you the reasonable or fair benefit of the doubt.
Well, in fact, there's a duty of good faith and fair dealing that insurance companies, by law, are supposed to extend to their policyholders. They have the obligation to do that. In fact, North Carolina actually has, under Chapter 58 of the statutes, a pretty good and progressive Fair Settlement Practices Act that requires these insurance companies to step up to the plate and to defend their policyholders.
Well, the point of all this is to just let you know that if you have a complex issue like this and you're not quite sure what to do, we're here to help. Give us a ring right now. The number is available to you, and you can reach either Mike or myself at that number. Obviously, we're separate firms, but we share the same number. And so we're here to help. Give us a ring.